Hi guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this wall shelf slash towel organizer. This is going to be the first project of quite a few that I'm sharing with my brother's bathroom makeover. So I'm super excited to bring the rest of them out over the next month or so, and the final reveal should be here in the next couple weeks as well. So your thicker board should be 1.5 inches thick. So on the back side of your smaller board, from the bottom, you're gonna measure up 3/4 inch, one in the middle, and then one on each side. At each of those marks, you're gonna pre-drill a hole all the way through the wood, and then you're gonna use a countersink bit to drill on each spot so that your screw will lie flush with the board. To make sure that my holes are lined up exactly, I'm going to take the board that I already drilled holes through and line it up on the front part of the shelf. And then I'm going to put this screw through just enough so that it touches this board, and then I'll be able to use that hole to pre-drill a hole through at each of the 3 marks. Then I use 3-inch screws to attach the 2 boards together. And now on the front side of the ledge, I'm gonna measure 2 spaces for the screws to go into the wall, and then I'm gonna pre-drill holes through both of those spaces. Then on the front part of the board that you can see, I'm just gonna countersink both of the pre-drilled holes. Then I'm gonna take 2 42-inch leather straps, and I'm gonna use a leather punch to punch holes about 1/2 inch in from both ends on both sets of the straps. Then on the underside of the shelf, I'm gonna measure 5 inches in from each side, and then to the center of the board. And then I'm gonna pre-drill a hole, not all the way through, but just part of the way through this board. Then I'm gonna take the leather straps and line up the 2 holes. And then I'm gonna take a screw and attach these to the board through the pre-drilled holes. I ended up adding a couple more screws along the center screw, just to keep it a little flatter to the shelf. And then you can just put your towels in here and then style the top of your shelf.